There you've got a picture of the brain. See the size of the cerebrum. Notice how this looks very much like the intestines here. It looks like a lot like the intestinal tract. You've got more the central brain complex here, the thalamus here, pons, medulla oblongata. Notice how there's two organs here, the cerebellum, two organs. Notice how that looks like lungs. You see how the cerebellum looks quite like a pair of lungs there, and at the front this is more like a heart. So it's a bit like you've got, this is when I first started doing holographic breathing and watching it go through the brain, a bit like the intestines, lungs, heart, head and brain. It's like a spiral. Not the highest center here. So that is the cerebrum and cerebellum.